Hi, I'm Sarah Grace Sanders for New to the Street, on location at the NIBA conference located in the Westin Hotel at Times Square. We are here with Roger Wu, CEO of Eyes4Lives, who is presenting here at the conference. Roger, can you tell us a little bit about the purpose for developing the Eyes4Lives and any challenges that you faced along the way?
Well, I'm an optometrist by trade, and I do have two practices. I've been doing this for 21 years, actually. And back then, even before the first smartphone and the tablet came out, I've noticed that a lot of my patients, younger patients, start getting dry eyes. So I really look into it. How come certain patients getting severe dry eyes and when they're perfectly healthy? And I start trying to basically question their lifestyle, what they do, for a living. And I realized a lot of those patients are actually stare at the computer or all day long. And that's before the smartphone came out. So I started trying to look for a solution, and I found out there's not a major solution out there. So I decided to work on this on my own, and that's why the idea all came about, because we know all the known causes of these dry eye issue for young people. Now we're just looking basically at designing the functionality of this device based on those known causes.
That's great. And what would you say is the potential market for this device?
Okay. This device, which is okay, thank you. A camera right now, an externally mounted camera. Okay, looks like this. You put it on top of your computer monitor and hook it up to your computer, using a USB cable. This is designed for laptop and desktop right now, which is about 48% of the market. Besides, monitoring all the bad habits that you have, like slouching down, not blinking enough, horrible lighting, things like this.
Right.
This device also has a what's called MSR grid. Essentially, it's a screening device for your macular function. And also there's color vision tests, and you can also do your visual acuity test, screening like this. So essentially, it's like a quick eye exam in the box.
And can you just elaborate a little bit more on your vision for the company?
Well, obviously the vision is we're looking at the bigger pictures. So this is our proof of concept, saying that we can deliver the product, the functionality that we initially promised to all the shareholders and people involved. The next thing we do is have it built into our mobile devices or into our standard camera, so it becomes a standard feature. The third step is actually build a platform where people using the device, we can have all the data. It would become more like a telemedicine platform. So that's what we see the future of this device as well. But that's a year and a half, 2 years from now.
Sure.
Yeah.
Great. Well, thank you so much for joining us here today.
Thank you.